Welcome back. Another short video on a set of Suzuki GS500 carburetors. I've fitted them to my special flushing system. If I blow the suds away in there, you'll be able to see the little submersible pump there, the CE kite mark on it. And as you can see here, the carbs are back flushing through the back transfer jets at the back of the carbs. Also down underneath there, it's coming out of the float bowls, so the float bowls are getting flushed. And if I move up onto the top here, you'll see the main jets there, back flushing. So the whole system's getting a thorough de-varnishing basically. So I'll just leave that running there for probably a couple of hours or more. And I've cleaned off the outsides in some really strong hot detergent. That's all you need really, and in a couple of hours they'll be pristine inside, all the jet channels, etc, etc. One more last look down the top there, and you can see everything is under pressure. And when it's done, I will inspect and see how it is. Thank you all again for watching. Bye for now.